Create groups of similar or related elements in your Revit model. You can create model groups and detail groups, depending on your needs. You can create model groups by first selecting objects or add them by using the group editor. Here, let's select this row of desks, and then click the Create Group button in the Create panel. The Create Model Group dialog will appear, prompting you to name the group. Let's name the group Desk Row. You can also click the Create Group button first, and then add model elements to your group using the group editor. It's important to note that groups cannot contain both detail and model elements. To add details to a model group, they must be included as part of an attached detail group. In this example, we'll create a group from this desk cluster and its associated tags. Highlight the desk cluster and tags and click the Create Group button. Next, name the group in the Create Group dialog. The tag details are now included as an attached detail group. We can now copy the group and move the desk cluster. Notice that the tags are not visible in the copied desk group. You can toggle the appearance of the tags by selecting the group, navigating to the Modify tab, and clicking the Attach Detail Groups button. In the dialog, check or uncheck the desired detail group from the list. Click OK. The tags are now visible in the model. Create groups of model and detail elements in your Revit model.